Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today I'm going to answer a question everybody been asking all month. Are the Sabbat E12s really that good? Well, there's only one way to find out. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $80. Now they come in 10 different colors. You got copper, purple, red, brown, fantasy, gunmetal, hail, silver, gold, and black. All right, so let's go through all of the features. Now, these are IPX5 sweat and water resistant. So you can't go swimming with them on. You can't submerge them. But if you get caught in the rain or you sweat a lot, you're good to go. Now, these are Bluetooth version 5.0. You get USB Type-C charging, and you also get wireless charging. Now, these have 8 hours worth of total battery life. It takes 1 hour to fully charge them, and the battery case is going to give you an additional 22 hours. So that's a total of 30 hours worth of battery. You got your music controls in the earbuds, and you can rock these mono or stereo. So that means you can use them both or one at a time. All right, so all of that for $80. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white
calm down. All right, here we go. Sabbat E12s, a personal concert. Now, on a side note, at the end of this video, I'll let y'all know which ones sound better, the E12s or the X12 Pros. Now, I got both of these. I had them in my house for about a week. Let's put them to the test. All right, let me grab a little unboxing knife. Got the Incredible Hulk on deck. Here we go. Rah. Okay. Let's see. Did we miss anything from the specs? Blah, blah, blah. Nope. Basically covered it. Okay, so we got a nice presentation alert. I don't even know what color I got. I think I went with silver. These kind of look like a hearing aid. But hey, it is what it is. Okay, so inside, got a quick start guide. Plug it, file it to the side. It's going to be your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Let's see, did I see any other colors on these? Oh, these are basically what the colors look like. That's that. Shoes back up. All right, let's see, you got a bunch of different size ear tips. Now, these are pretty important. Whenever you try out earbuds, it's good to try out different sizes because that actually changes the sound sometimes. Let's see what else you get. Okay, you get another little carrying case. Okay, let me do the smell test on this. Smells like meh, M-E-H. Little Sabbat branding. This is going to be a USB Type-C charging cable. All right, a little bit small. Here's your charging case. Now, this is super glossy. All right, so you will be getting fingerprints. On the back, you got 4 LEDs. There's your USB Type-C charging slot. On the bottom, you got your little chi symbol for wireless charging. Now, let's see the flimsiness of this case. Okay, it's not bad. If y'all seen the Raycons, they're pretty much exactly the same. All right, not too flimsy. And here's your earbuds. Now, I went with the adamantium silver, also known as chrome. Let's see, do we have left and right branding? These are super glossy. Yep, you got left and right. So this is the left, this is the right. Got that hearing aid style look to it. Real nice. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's slap them in the case and see how they fit. Let's see. Oh, shoes, you ate the ear tips already? All right, do what you do. Hold on, let me see if I can figure out how to put these in the case. Okay, charging pins on the top. Here it is. Okay, so here's how they go. I know, it took about a second. Here's how they're going to look in the case. Let's close them up. There's your 4 LEDs. And like I said, you got wireless charging and USB Type-C. All right, so let me grab a phone and we'll put these to the test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so first, let's check wireless charging. Look for the blue lights. Wireless charge on deck. Now, just in case you can't see those blue lights flashing? That means it's wirelessly charging. Now, I know some of y'all are going to say wireless charging is a gimmick. Who's going to walk around with that big wireless charging pad? Check this out. If you got a new Galaxy or a new Huawei phone, you activate wireless power share. And you can charge the earbuds right from your phone. That's pretty sick. Now, for the pairing process, real simple. Once you open these up and take them out of the case, they'll automatically power up and they'll be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Sabbat E12s. Now, change the different size ear tips. So I got the ones that fit me the best. Let me slap these in. Now, as far as noise isolation, it does get a little bit more quiet once you put them in, but it's not crazy, not crazy. Now, let me show you what they're going to look like. Okay, so it is a nice, comfortable fit. Not the tightest and snuggest fit in the world, but it is comfortable. Now, let me push them in a little bit deeper, giggity, and let me do my little head shake test. I got a feeling these might pop out, but let's see. All right, let me get maximum head shake. Okay, well, they honestly didn't fall out at all. They moved a little bit, but they didn't fall out. So you could rock these to the gym if you want. Now I'm a little bit spoiled. I've been using the Power Beats Pro and the EOZ ears, earbuds with the hooks on them. I like those better. But like I said, they didn't fall out, so you can rock them to the gym. All right, so let's get some music and we'll do a little sound test. All right, so I got some Calvin Harris queued up, max volume, 1 tap for play and pause. Here we go. And I promise y'all I'm not going to sing. Okay, Birdman hands rubbing together. Let me grab my mic because y'all know I'm lying. Here we go. Can't be sleeping, keep on waking. Is that the woman next to me? Guilt is burning, inside I'm hurting. This ain't a feeling I can keep, so blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me, don't blame it on me. Blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Just blame it on the night. All right, hold up. I got to stand up. Blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Let's go, Shoes. All right, let me calm down. Hold up. 1 tap for playing pause. Woo! That's that head shake music right there. All right, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to try out a couple of different songs, and I'll be right back in. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I just tested these out with a bunch of different songs from a bunch of different genres, and I got to be honest with y'all, on a scale of 1 to 10, for $80, these are a major go. Now, am I blown away? The answer is no, but I will say this. For $80, these are easily the loudest and most bass-having truly wireless earbuds that I heard yet. But look, if you're serious about your sound, then you got to get the B&Os or you got to get the Sennheisers. Now, these are going to cost you. All right, so if you're looking to spend under $100, I would say these are easily the best ones that I heard yet. And if you're looking for gym earbuds, the Power Beats Pro is a must-have. But anyway, back to these. Nice amount of bass, mids and highs. And like I said, for $80, these are the best ones that I heard yet and have the most bass. Let's do the rest of my testing. All right, so now let's check the button controls. 1 tap for play and pause. Okay, no problems with that. Double tap on the left earbud to reverse. Okay. Double tap on the right earbud to skip. Okay. Triple tap on the left earbud to lower the volume. Okay, no problems. Triple tap on the right earbud to increase the volume. Okay. And long press to activate Siri or Google. What's the weather for tomorrow? Okay, so everything works. Okay, so now let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them off and put them in the charging case? If you see on the bottom, Sabbat E12s, they're fully connected. Let's hit play and pause. There's your music. Okay, now I'm going to take them out. Let's drop them in the case. Wait for them to disconnect. There it is. Now, let's slap them back in. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. All right, 5 1000s, they're back connected. Let's hit play and pause. Okay, so that's pretty fast, about 5 seconds. Now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud at a time while the other one is in the charging case? Here we go, let's hit play. Okay, so now I'm going to take out the right earbud. The music is still playing. Let me put it back in. Let me take out the left earbud. Music is still playing. So you can use one at a time when they're not in the case. Now let's try it with the case. So let's take out the right earbud. We'll slap it in the case. Still playing. Let's put it back in. Okay, 5 seconds. They reconnected. Now I'm going to take out the left earbud. We'll slap it in the case. And it turned off. Now let's see if it totally disconnects. All right, it's fully disconnected. So if you want to play music from one earbud at a time without having to repair it, it has to be from the left. Now, if you want to play just the right side by itself, all you have to do is power these back on, go to your Bluetooth settings, and pair them up individually. So it does work. It's just a little bit more hassle. Okay, so now let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching the video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Now I'm going to do my usual test, so here's my usual disclaimer. Keep this in mind. Sound takes time to travel. So I'm using a wireless earbud into a wireless microphone. So when you're watching this at home, it might look like there's more lag than it actually is, but I got the left earbud in my ear, and I'm going to tell y'all the truth. Here we go. Let's hit play. I'm going to put it right next to the mic. Let's see. Oh, not bad at all. Okay, that's minimum lag. Minimum lag. Okay, so you could definitely rock this for videos. Now again, when you're watching this at home, it might look like there's more delay, but I'm listening to it. It's really not bad, not even a second. So I can watch a movie with this with no problems, no complaints. Okay, so now let's do the connection test. Now I got a marker set at 30 feet. I'm going to walk back and touch it, and we'll see if there's any difference in the sound or the connection. Let's hit play. Okay, here we go. Whose world is this? It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. All right, that's 30 feet. Okay. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Okay. Let me hit pause. Okay, so I just walked back 30 feet. No difference in sound, no drop connection. Okay, so now let's check the call quality. I'm going to call my daughter and do my usual test. Okay, Sabbat E12s. Okay, it's ringing out of both ears. Let me get max volume. It's ringing. Still ringing. Okay, she might have me on the pay no mind list. Yep. What up, girlie? All right, I'm in the middle of making this video, so you know I had to do a test phone call. Okay. What's up with you? Are you all right? So good. All right. What did you sound like you were sleeping? You were sleeping? Okay. All right. So my usual question: how do I sound? Nice and clear. All right. What about now? I'm kind of talking a little bit low. Still clear? All right. Cool. All right. Cool. DJ Cringe back in the building. All right. So let me wrap this up. I'm gonna call you back because that Airbnb looked tough. I think we need to lock that one in. All right, no doubt. All right, so I'm gonna call you back in a few minutes. All right. Bye. Okay. Sound on these is actually pretty good. Now, she said I was crystal clear. I even tried to talk a little bit low because I have a natural loud voice. But she said no problems with me on her end, and I didn't have any problems on my end. So call qualities, I approve. Now, before I wrap this video up, let's find out if the E12s are that much better than the X12 Pros. Now, the X12 Pros, these are going to run you $60. So it's a $20 saving. But you're losing that wireless charge. Okay, so let's get in this real quick. I'm not going to go through all of the specs. This is really just a sound check. Same look, same presentation, same style case, same hearing aid shaped earbuds. Let me pair them up and we'll compare them. Okay, so I just tested these both out on the same phone with the same song and the same volume. And honestly, the Sabbat E12s sound a lot better. And let me show you why. It has to do with the fitment. So if you notice, on the X12s, they don't have any rubber tips. So they're just going to rest in your ear. With the E12s, you got those rubber tips, so you get more noise isolation, and it's going to sound like they have more bass. So if you hate this rubber tip feel, okay, cool. Save $20, get the X12 Pros. But if you want more bass and a more secure fit, definitely go with the E12s. All right, so let's wrap this up. On a scale of 1 to 10, these are definitely a major go. Are they worth $80? And the answer is yes. As Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Now, they IPX5 sweat and water resistant. They come in a bunch of different colors. You got Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C charging, wireless charging. They only take about an hour to charge up. You're getting 8 hours worth of battery with 22 hours with the case. That's total 30 hours. That's pretty good. You got your music controls on the earbuds and volume control. You can play these stereo or mono. Basically no lag when you're watching your videos. You're getting crystal clear stereo phone calls. But most importantly, the sound. These are easily one of the best sounding wireless earbuds that I heard for under $100. And they got the most bass. So if you're looking for bass heavy earbuds for under $100, you need to check these out. All right, I would definitely recommend these. Anyway, Sabbat E12s, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Alright, so I'm trying to do my little wireless charge test. And Shoes is here trolling me out. Okay. Shoes, I need you to calm down. How you gonna fall asleep on my knife hand? Alright, calm down. This is the extra long knife hand where you just leave it for like about 30 seconds. That's how they get the point. So you gotta let it marinate right here, just like that. All right, Shoes, you getting calm? Ah! How you gonna scratch my knife hand, bro? Calm down. Ah! The nails. Okay, you win. You win, bro. You just want a rub-a-dub, I know. You want a little rub down. I know how you do.